Are sharks blind? Sharks have black, lifeless eyes. It is often said that sharks don't mean to attack humans. It's just a case of mistaken identity. This statement implies that sharks have such poor eyesight that they can't differentiate between a human and a marine mammal. However, sharks are not blind. Some sharks are visually impaired, and others are completely colorblind. But sharks have highly complex eyes that can change focus and reflect light as an aid to night vision. Recent research indicates that sharks have better vision than was previously believed.